Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you are going to have your classic 7 insert grille. You're going to have the black Jeep badging, looks really sharp against the bright white color. You do have the color match bumpers, and you're also going to have your 2 black tow hooks on the bottom here. HID headlights and fog lights on this one. And then popping open the hood, you're going to have your 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Along the side of this one, you're going to have the 20-inch black rims, color matched mirrors on this one. They are breakaway. They're also going to be heated. You have proximity entry with your color matched door handles, and then again the black badging along the side. You're going to have your roof racks as well. And then you do have command start on this one. Coming into the back, you're going to have the built-in park sensors all along your bumper. This one is set up for towing. You have your 4 and 7 pin wiring with your hitch receiver. Super handy in the Jeeps. You can tow a little camper. Then you're going to have your backup camera right here on this one. This one is a power lift gate, so you're going to push a button on your fob and it's going to pop right open for you. All-weather floor mats in the back, as well as a ton of storage. You're going to have your 12-volt plug-in right here, as well as a little cover. And then the nice thing about these ones, if you come underneath, you do have access to your full-size spare tire in the unfortunate event you're ever going to need it. But now we're going to finish up in the front. Up in the front of this one, you're going to have your black leather seats. They are heated, and they're going to have your suede inserts. And you have lots of storage in the bottom of your center console, as well as the top. And then both of them are lined. You're going to have 2 cup holders here, as well as an additional storage area. It's going to have 2 USBs, an aux plug-in, and a 12-volt plug-in. And then you're also going to have a lined glove box up at the front here, as you're going to have some wood detailing. This one comes equipped with your 8.4-inch touchscreen. It has your navigation. You can program in home and work. You also have the option to connect your phone for your Bluetooth. And then coming into your apps here, you have Travel Link, super handy. You can see fuel prices near you, the weather, any local movie listings, your sports teams and their scores, and you can also manage your Sirius XM subscription and favorite any of those options. The controls for your heated seats and heated steering wheel are right here, and then you can also see your backup camera, handy when you're hooking up your trailer. Dual climate control in this one, and all of those controls are right there for you. And then when your phone is hooked up, this is where you control all of your media. If you're not wanting to use the screen, you can click this button here and turn it right off. Super handy at night, so it's not shining bright in your face. And then you still can control all of your climate. Coming down a little bit lower, you can turn on and off your park sensors. You have your lane keep assist. You also have eco mode, sport mode, and you can turn on and off your traction control. And then this one is a Jeep, so the neat thing it has is it's going to have your select terrain control where you can switch between snow, sand, auto, mud, and rock. It's also going to be 4-wheel drive, and you have your hill descent control down here as well. Moving up to your steering wheel, it is heated. And then you're going to have all of your cruise controls and your hands-free controls right on the steering wheel. The back side of your steering wheel is going to have some buttons. That's for changing the radio, changing song, turning up and down the volume of your music. To pop open your gas tank, you're going to have a little button right below your headlight adjusters. Alpine sound system on this one, as well as your universal garage door opener. So each of these buttons can be programmed into a different garage door, and that's going to save you some clutter up here on your visor. You're also going to have a sunroof on this one, and then you do have a button that will pop open your liftgate in the back, but now we're going to finish up. So taking a look in the back of this one, when your seats are folded out flat, there is a ton of storage back here. Great for groceries, pets, camping supplies, any sporting equipment. And then they do pop back up as well. And they do fold down in a 40-60 split. In the middle here, you have an armrest that folds out. It's got 2 cup holders on it as well. And then your passengers do have the option to control their own airflow, and they're going to have a 115-volt plug-in as well. So on long road trips, they can plug in their devices. You're going to have some netting in the back of your seat pockets for some storage. And you're going to have some additional storage areas in the doors, as well as your speaker. If you want to make this Jeep yours, you can click the link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.